Any individual who is signaling a crane has control of all crane movement. As a result, that individual must know how to communicate with the operator and understand how their signals affect the operations of the unit. This course will cover the industry-recognized regulations and standards, the 2010 OSHA regulations for crane spotters and signal persons, and a basic understanding of how a crane operates and the hazards to look out for. This course will cover the general knowledge a signal person and designated spotter should know to comply with the regulations and their job duties. The chart shown here gives the minimum equipment clearance distance from a power line for cranes and their associated loads. The distance required is relative to the amount of voltage in the particular line. For example, a power line with voltage up to 50 kilovolts requires that the crane and any loads keep a minimum of 10 feet of distance. In this situation, the crane will get closer than 20 feet, which is inside the limit of approach based on the voltage shown. In this case, a dedicated spotter is necessary. In these situations, a planning meeting must occur before the lift starts to ensure all the parties involved understand and agree on each other's roles in the lift. The plan or procedure shall be documented and remain on site. During the planning meeting, the dedicated spotter shall verify a means of confirming the allowable distance and a method of measuring that distance. The designated spotter must be in constant contact with the operator and in a position to effectively gauge the clearance distance. A signal person must understand all the industry hand signals for every job and ensure that they and the crane operator agree on and understand the same signal process before a job starts. Hand signals are the first option for line of sight. If the line of sight distance is too far to clearly read the signals, then voice communication or another method must be used. The general rule is the crane operator should never move on his own. If he gets signals that are not completely clear, the operator should stay put and ask for clarification or implement another method of communication. Now we will take a look at the crane hand signals. For each signal you will be shown a short video clip of the signal in use and a picture that demonstrates in detail the placement of the hands. You may view the video clips as many times as you like by pressing the play button. It is recommended that you practice these hand signals now, as you will have to demonstrate your knowledge of these signals upon completion of the course. The emergency stop signal is one of two stop signals. This signal, when given, tells the operator to stop operations regardless of the conditions. The emergency stop signal is given by opening arms wide at your side and then bringing the arms in and crossing them in front of your body.